Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can write vertical text in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my file in Google Sheets, and as you can see, I have already created this vertical text, and I'm going to show you how you can type vertical text. Okay guys, you can select the text first, and then you're going to go to the text rotation menu, and then here you can choose vertical text, stack vertically, or this one, rotate up and rotate down. And I'm going to choose stack vertically, and I'm going to try this one as well, rotate up, okay, and rotate down, and I'm gonna go with this stack vertically. And okay guys, that's how we can write vertical text in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!